Hey y'all, today we're gonna make drop biscuits with my daughter Aurora. What are you doing?
I don't know. To make these easy drop biscuits, you'll need 1 stick of salted butter, self-rising flour, sugar, and heavy cream. For a full list of ingredients and measurements, check the description below.
I'm just gonna let you know now, these are not the actual biscuits we serve at the restaurant, but they're very close and they're very easy. A type of biscuit that my grandma used to make, which is like stir, 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 plop, 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 boom, 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 done.
What?
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna have you do this. Into the mixing bowl, we're gonna add 2 cups of self-rising flour, and then this 1 stick of salted butter, I chilled and I chopped into tiny pieces. Let's go ahead and add that. Make sure you use salted butter, otherwise your biscuits are gonna be bland. I'm gonna have you use this cool thingy-madingy. What is it called? Is it a biscuit cutter or a dough cutter?
I just call it a butter cutter.
A butter cutter? That's cool. All right, you're just gonna work that into there. And you wanna get the butter down to about the size of like...
Pea?
No, smaller than a pea, but a little bigger than a couscous.
What is a couscous?
Is couscous a grain or a pasta?
I feel like it's a pasta.
All right, so, you know, maybe like half pea. The little peas, the petit pois. Okay, this looks good. Tap, tap, tap. If you don't have one of these little contraptions, you could use a whisk. Whisk will work just fine.
Oh yeah, when we practiced this, we used a whisk.
We didn't practice. This is... I'm kidding. We practiced.
We did it at home.
Well, I needed to make sure that the recipe worked. Add the cream and the sugar, and we're gonna stir together just until they're combined. You don't want to overwork the dough. You're just gonna get in there just until it forms a dough, okay?
Just like a ball?
Yeah, you don't want to overdo it. Just bring it together. There you go, my dear. Almost there. Let me just feel this. The thing that you don't want to do is you don't want to overwork it. You don't want to touch the dough too much because you don't want to melt all the butter. Okay, that's done. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna spray this, and we're gonna do 1/2 cup biscuits. Here, okay. Pack it in a little bit. Take off the excess. There.
Okay.
If you wanted to, if you even wanted to be even less uniform about it, you could actually even just take the biscuit and just drop it.
Like cookie dough?
I mean, that's why it's called a drop biscuit. And yeah, we're not gonna win any pastry awards with the looks of these, but that's not the point. We just want a soft, tender, fluffy, these aren't gonna be flaky biscuits. All right, here are our biscuits. So my oven is preheated at 350 degrees. It's a still oven, no fan. And I'm gonna throw them in the oven for about 30 minutes. It's been about 35 minutes in a 350 degree oven, and I'm gonna pull the biscuits out. They're golden brown. Let's see if they're delicious. They're still warm. Ooh.
Those actually look really good.
Oh, thanks, my dear. Oh my God. It's salt level's perfect.
Not too much sugar.
It's good, but you need the sugar in there. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, very rich from all the butter and the cream. What do you think?
It smells like butter. I like smelling things. But yeah, it's great.
All right. All right, good job.
Goodbye.